The San Joaquin County DA wants to ban e-cigarettes.
CBS 13's Linda Muma with a request and the people who are not on board.
Jeanette Peterson is concerned about the dangers of smoking e-cigarettes.
He got his blood work done, and the amount of nicotine in his system was frightening.
She says her 17-year-old son has suffered 6 seizures in the last 2 years after vaping, which is why she supports the San Joaquin District Attorney's latest efforts to ban their sale throughout the county.
I can 120% say that when he has vaped, he has had a seizure.
This week, District Attorney Tori Verber Salazar told county supervisors she's working on a proposal. At the same time, the American Lung Association issued a warning about the health risks associated with e-cigarettes after a 6th vape-related death in the country.
It was designed to be cool and hip. It's also designed to make it easy to take a hit.
Verber Salazar says an ordinance could take months. She's asking businesses to take action now before a ban is put in place.
What we know is that we cannot and should not be marketing a product to youth that is driven to get you to become addicted.
But Stockton smoke shops like this one swear by the safety of their products and say a ban would hurt business.
I think the regulation of sales should be a thing that we're looking at, not a complete ban.
Manager Marco Ramos believes an ordinance may prompt e-cigarette users to pick up traditional cigarettes instead.
You know, I've helped so many people quit smoking. I've helped so many people bring down their levels of nicotine intake.
Or buy bootleg versions of vape products off the streets.
That's one big issue. I think getting products from the street, you shouldn't be doing it in the first place.
Now, the DA says she wants to bring businesses and county leaders together to talk more about a better solution.
But she's really pushing for this ban now because she says we shouldn't have to wait for these health officials to track down what about vaping could be making people sick.
President Trump is calling for a ban on flavored e-cigarettes marketed to teenagers. Several Bay Area politicians are applauding this move. According to the CDC, there are more than 450 cases of vaping-related illnesses, along with the deaths of at least 6 people reported in recent weeks.